Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie and this is Tikva.
Hi.
And today we are going to be making for you a meal so delicious we made up a song about it, didn't we, Tikva?
Yes, we did.
You want to sing it for them?
Yes.
Alright. The delicious, nutritious mushroom barley soup. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make mushroom barley soup, a meal that we all enjoy as a family, and we will get started.
Yahoo!
First thing we're going to need are some onions. I don't like to chop them up so much, so we're going to use some frozen chopped onions, pre-chopped. We're going to use some celery and carrots. I like to buy organic as much as possible because I prefer the flavors and I feel like it's healthier for our family. We're also going to use 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to use an entire large container of mushrooms. We need some barley, some thyme, some pepper, Bragg's Liquid Aminos. If you have not had that before, you can find it in most grocery stores. It is delicious. And we're going to use 2 containers of vegetable broth. This is approximately 8 cups. Very first thing we're going to do is peel and wash our carrots, and then we're going to wash and cut up our celery as well.